Jhuxtello iTech's all-in-one segment. Today, we are diving into the details of the upcoming 2024 Basic Education Certificate Examination, also known as BECE. The 2024 BECE journey begins with registration. Just like in the previous year, registration is expected to kick off in March and conclude by April 2024. It's a crucial period for students in their final year of junior high school. Now, let's talk about the rules and regulations surrounding the BECE for school candidates. The examination is exclusively for third-year junior high school students. Schools are strictly prohibited from engaging in certain activities, such as soliciting students through any form of media or registering students without proper continuous assessment records. In the realm of basic education, staying informed is key. Before the BECE takes center stage, let's take a quick look at the reopening dates, week endings, holidays, revision week, and vacation dates for Term 2. Rumors have been circulating about the number of papers to be written in the 2024 BECE. Contrary to speculations of only 5 papers, the Ghana Education Service has clarified that candidates will be tackling 8 papers each. It seems the alleged 5-subject proposal hasn't gained approval. And that wraps up our insight into the 2024 BECE. Stay tuned for more educational updates. This is Jhuxtello iTech, bringing you comprehensive information, all in one place.